So guys, kasama ko si Paula. Kami ay maghahanap ng ulam. Tingnan natin, ito baga ay ulam? Ay hindi siya ulam guys. Pero parang may nakita ako dito sa kabilang gulid. Yan! Egg mushroom. So meron na tayong umpisa. Collect ko lang. So ayan guys, na-collect ko na siya. Tapos may nakita pa ako dito. Ayan. Iko-collect ko din siya. So libre na ang aming dinner tonight. So guys, andito na ako sa forest. And I always start this part. So ito yung area kung saan ako lagi nag-i-start. Kasi minsan nandito sila sa baba. Minsan nandoon sila sa taas. So nag-start ako dito. And lucky, yes. It's already down here. Look guys. I found few already. So I'll be collecting that and then carry on up there. There's also few there. So samahan nyo lang ako. How much I found. Wow. That's also not only the mushroom, but also have berries. So I will be collecting them later. This is really sweet actually. Wow. Lekker, lekker. Wow, ang tamis. So, wow. Ito masarap to sa ice cream. Wow, guys. I collect the mushroom. Guys, nandito na ako sa taas. Konti pa lang yung kuha ko. But I'm still looking. And I already found another. Oh, and there's more in there. Can you see that yellow? Yes, that is mushroom also. So I will be collecting them after I collect this. Here we go. Ang dami guys! Ang dami. Samahan nyo akong kolektahin silang lahat. Ito malaki siya. And this one, wow, there's a bigger size. Look guys, how big are they? Wow. Let's get kaput. I don't get it good. It's get broken. But I want to clean it first before I put it in my bag. Wow. See, the biggest one. And that one also. Nah. Okay, I have to cut it without a video. It's like I have the luck, guys. They are all already good size. Sometimes you can find very small like this only. And now I have the really good size. This is the best size actually, especially this size. Really, dinner is free. So guys, I got that much and I got more to collect. Wow, this is new place. It wasn't here last year. So I keep finding. I have to collect it again. So guys, I'm already here, not even at the top. And I have already one full bag, that at least a kilo. So I think that's enough. We are allowed to get 2 kilo every person. So I think this is enough for 2 person anyway. So thank you for watching. And I want to shout out my lovely team, Team Kasangga. Yes, wala pong iba, ang ating Team Kasangga sa pangunguna ni Sir Bernie, ni Ma'am Alona, ni Ma'am Rhea, syempre ni Ma'am Rodeline. Mega love shout out sa inyong lahat. Meron na tayong kabute pang hapunan at ang aking magigiting na taga-subaybay. Taga-subaybay talaga. Hello to Maymay, to Sinica Jade, to Arlene, to Cheryl. Ang dami nyo, hindi ko kayo kayang isa-isahin. Rihanna, which is new. Ann, ang dami nyo talaga guys. Next time na lang yung iba. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Love you all.